Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Windows 11 won't wake from sleep. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Windows 11 won't wake up from sleep, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you just need to open the CMD, then click on this command prompt, then enter one command power cfg dot exe space slash hibernate space OFF. You just need to turn off the hibernate, restart your PC, and again you need to turn on your hibernate. For turn off your hibernate, you just need to type this command and hit enter and close this window and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, again you have to turn on your hibernate. You need to type the same command, and in last you just remove the off and type on here and hit enter and close this window. Guys, this was the method one. And the second method is you just need to open your device manager. Click on the device manager. In this device manager list, you need to search keyboard. You can see keyboard. Double click on the keyboard. Right click on your keyboard driver. Then click on property. After right click on your keyboard property, here you will find power management. You just need to select the power management tab and you will find one tick mark. Just untick, apply, and tick mark again. Then click on apply OK. You have to just untick and tick mark it again. After keyboard, you will find here mice and other pointing device. You just need to select this option, select the driver, click on property. Then again you have to select the power management tab from here. You will find under that one checkbox option. You have to just checkbox that, then click on apply. Again you have to uncheck, click on apply, and then click OK and close this window. After this, still you are facing the issue, then you can try the third method, that is type cmd, hit enter. You have to run this cmd as a administrator. After opening the cmd, then type here mstt dot exe space hyphen id space power diagnostic. Then hit enter. You will see this type of window. Just click on advanced and make sure this option is checked and click on next, and you have to wait for some time. It will detect the issue and fixes automatically. You will find one option which is apply and fix. You need to just click on that apply and fix, then click on finish. You can see already there is no issue, so the apply and fix option is not showing here. If in your case you will find apply and fix, you have to just click on apply and fix, then click on close it, close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows 11 won't wake from sleep. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.